Today's recipe is a quintessential recipe from a humble Rajasthani home. The name Rajasthani Papad Dahi Sabzi. Now this recipe I'm going to divide literally into two components. The first one is roasting papads. The next step is to make a curry base slightly thinner, and then you drop in these roasted papadums into the curry and you allow this to poach, to simmer, so that it kind of thickens slightly, and that's when you get the most amazing papad dahi ki sabzi. First things first, papadum. Well, alternately, you could also air fry this or microwave this. Now that our papadums are fried and ready, let me quickly also tell you that you could make this same recipe, follow exactly the same recipe without really roasting the papadums, and right towards the end, when the curry or the gravy is done and ready, you drop in a raw papadum. Allow this to poach like a pasta, and that's just about perfect. Well, the flavor personality of that recipe is slightly different. You'll understand when you make it yourself. For now, let's drop in mustard oil in a hot pan. Let's begin with cumin seeds, dried red chillies, and bay leaves. Time to add in Asafoetida, and with this, red onions roughly chopped. Once the onions turn golden brown in color, let's add in a mixture of yogurt, besan, which is gram flour, and a couple of spices. Red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and along with this, a generous pinch of Kasuri Methi. Let's mix this up. Our curd mix is done and ready. Let's add in the paste of ginger and garlic. Once the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away, let's add in our curd and spice mix. Let's also take the remaining mixture from the bowl by adding some water. Let's whack the flame on a complete high and allow this to roll boil. Let's quickly also start mixing to avoid any lumps. Let's add in a cup full of water. Time to add in salt as required and jaggery or sugar as an optional ingredient. The whole idea is to thin the curry down and now allow this to simmer on high flame. Once the curry becomes this consistency thick, we add in the roasted papads. Now you have two choices here. You can either crush it completely or just break it like so. Alternately, you could also just drop in halves or quarters. Choice is completely yours. And like I said earlier, at this stage, you could also add in the raw papad. Without crushing or breaking the papad, let's just lightly push this downwards like so. This will soak in all the wonderful dahi curry and start swelling. Another 2 minutes on low flame, and with this, your Rajasthani Papad Dahi ki Sabzi is done and ready. And just before serving, a generous sprinkling of coriander. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Rajasthani Papad Dahi ki Sabzi is done and ready. What do you serve this with? Well, pulkas, chapatis, or if you like, or if you have some time at hand, maybe some puris. And if you can stuff the puris, absolutely nothing like it. Make this for family, make this for friends, and let me know in the comment section what you feel like. Bye for now.